I used your shaving cream. I'm going to get it.
What if he has shaving gel?
No!
It's not gonna work.
I can't find it, but I got...
¿Qué cosa?
This is all he has.
Oh, I knew it. He has shaving gel.
Gel.
No, that's cream.
Oh, it's
What?
It's
Becomes
like,
cream.
It's foam.
Okay.
Yeah, it's foam.
Oh no.
Use detergent.
No, that will become
it's
a
foam.
foam, yeah. It would.
Oh, should have made it foam.
Guys,
Yeah.
escribirán la carta para la abuelita, ¿verdad?
Okay.
To tomorrow
Okay, hold on. Let me
or
go.
tonight, whatever.
I'm doing it tomorrow.
Okay.
Can't you like?
No forget, Matthew, verás, ya te digo.
I don't like But you can't use detergent, but you could use Tide. She's gonna come, mañana?
Hmm?
Wait, why? No, we need to do it.
Because
So we
ella
can
está
send
en
it with
Ecuador.
Marina.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what cards. That?
Gosh.
That's good. Okay,
I'm using more.
that's bad.
So
That's bad. That, I
you
just saw.
mix the shaving cream
That's bad.
until it becomes
That's
like
bad.
this consistency.
And the Needle King! Okay, so that's actually my good one.
Okay, so now I got this thing, Elmer's. So. Yeah, it's open. It's not open. No. It sticks to up.
She's so crazy.
I'm not crazy, you are.
Just poke it. Poke a hole.
1, 2. I don't even care. Grimer. Clean.
Okay, so I'm trying to open
Bad,
it.
bad.
Poke a hole, Matthew. Oh.
The hole has been
Bad. Good.
surprisingly not poked.
So
Owie.
good. Bad. Bad. Bad and bad.
Why is it like that?
That's good.
Okay, it's forming. That's a good thing. And it has been formed. Oh my god, it's actually forming. It's funny. Yes, I'm kind of happy. See, it's forming like that.
Nothing good today. Bad.
Why is it? Why is the
bad,
consistency
garbage,
like that?
Garbage, terrible.
It's not good yet because we have to still add some more magical Elmer's liquid, I guess.
1, 2, 3. No.
This could be used as memories.
¿Qué haces tú, Mateo?
Unboxing is bad.
You're gonna Pokemon.
Bad.
And bad.
Dark Diamond's bad.
Okay, so it's forming.
I
It's
got
good.
a good one.
It's forming. It's
Go,
good.
Peter.
Yes.
Oh,
So. It's forming. That's a good thing.
I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna give up.
See,
Something.
formed. And it's being better. That's gonna be probably the last one I put in there. Then I mix with my
I
hands.
got bad cards from these. I'm gonna shuffle them up.
I'm mixing with my hands.
Don't tell me what kind of Pokemon I got.
Whoa. Okay, so now I need to add more of
Shuffle them
this.
up. That's bad. That's garbage. That's even garbage. Garbage.
Matthew just garbaging every single card.
Garbage. 10 damage and he has 40 health. Garbage.
Do not pregnantar.
That's good because I could destroy everyone.
The good thing is,
I've only 9 tails now.
is it like a Kirby? Because if it's a Kirby, I'm definitely gonna. Yeah.
No!
Stop it, it's forming, you see?
Wow.
Getting off.
Well, this one's good because it has so much color. And it's
Well, what are you doing here?
garbage, 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 and garbage. I don't know like that much good stuff.
Oh my gosh.
And this one's garbage.
It's working. ¿Crees que necesito un poquito más?
Parece.
I gotta clean this up after. I promise.
Oh, it's actually worked.
Yeah, it's working. It's like
Okay.
forming. I like it.
It's working.
It's supposed to work. I got this thing.
Oh,
This is my garbage right here.
It's not just glue and then it works. No. You need activator or this thing. Which is a good thing. Because we found
No,
it.
this is all my garbage.
Oh my god!
What happened?
It fell out and it almost went on my clothes.
Oh man.
I'm gonna clean this up after. Yeah.
I'm gonna combine my Pokemon cards that I had. And like this.
Oh no! It's the shaving cream fall, okay?
Oh, it's already done.
No, it's not done. I just need to get it off my hands. Hold on. Get it off my hands so I can spoon mix this, but I don't want to touch it with my other hand. How do I do that?
¿Ya ves?
I just found it. Look, this is my one medal.
Oh.
Okay, now we need to wait a little while because I still have to add a poquito más because it's like working, but it's not activated enough. So
And this is my second medal. So I found them both.
¿Y dónde está el otro?
did the other one come?
Because they're true steel. So this one is that one over there, the one that
Yep,
I got.
that's
It
good.
worked.
And this one.
Déjame tocar.
It worked. Okay, not todavía, because I don't want it to stick to your hands.
Okay.
So. I mean, I guess you can touch the top, but really fast. See, that's what I mean. When I say really fast, I mean it.
Oh man. No, I got so sticky.
Oh my gosh, fluffy slime. I always want something like this. Oh my gosh, yes. I couldn't even find slime like this online. I have made a new slime consistency. Proud of myself. Okay. Worked. We're making progress.
Marina es de llevar el slime para la
Touch
chiche.
it. Seriously, I'm making one for her. I'm gonna make one for her.
I'll give her. She likes slime. I don't know how she knows about these things, but she likes slime. And she tries to
Neri,
make
Neri,
her
vas,
slime.
está regando, está regando, está regando.
El mismo mi ropa.
Yeah, you should, Nelly. Y de ahí mandas con glitter. Es un bag and you can take it.
No, not a bag. Because the bag's like, it'll stick to the bag and you can't get it out. That's what I don't like about the bags.
Oh, and some container.
Yeah, I'll give her this thing. But then I have no more containers.
A small container.
Yeah, I'm gonna give her a large amount, but not a big enough amount.
She likes slime. One time she slept with slime, and it got stuck to her hair, and we had to cut her hair.
Oh
Oh
no!
my god.
Sad.
She
Look.
never knew because she would be crying, and she wouldn't want to go to school, so we didn't tell her. We just secretly cut it, like pretending we were to.
Okay, Nelly,
cleaning
it's
her
almost
hair.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. So as you can see, the slime consistency is done.
Okay. What are you gonna add next?
The glitter.
What's the glitter? Let me see.
So I have a choice for you. You shall pick the glitter.
You got the rose
The pink one.
pink rose and the white.
you can enjoy this ASMR while Poppy chooses. Yes. Okay. Now, which one did you choose?
I like the pink one. Because
So we're doing the pink.
that's white and it's gonna make a contrast.
Can't get it out.
You want me to open?
Yes, please.
Hold the camera. Just don't make it with slime.
So see, this is it. And then we're going to do the consistency thing. Sick. Like that. My hands still have slime on them. Just opening it. See, that's Poppy's bar. He's almost done with it.
Ooh, we got glitter on me. There you go.
Oh no. Okay, now you hold the cameras. Thank you. Oh no, I got glitter on me. Oh, that's how it's supposed to be done. I got it.
Can you do it?
Yeah, it's just that like it's.
I thought you had like holes in there.
It does have holes. No! Wrong hand. Don't. Oh. Oh my gosh, yes.
It does have a little bigger hole through.
Okay, great. This is amazing. This is better than I could ever imagine. Okay, so this is better. It worked, surprisingly. And now
Okay.
we're adding the glitter. Now where is it? Where's the hole? Okay. Hold on. It said like there was this whole thing right here, so. Oh, there it is.
Okay, hold this. Let me see if I could